Hello everyone, today we are discussing Proel Governor. Proel Governor is somewhat different than the Porter Governor. You will find the fly balls. The fly balls are provided in a extension on the lower arms, so it is different. And again we will try to derive the height of the governor through instantaneous center method. Now we have considered the left hand side section of the governor. This is a symmetrical type of governor. There is nothing problem. The first we have to consider left hand side. Again, AB is the upper arm, AC is the lower arm, BN is the spindle. This is imaginary, and as it is based on instantaneous center, first of all we have to extend AB. This line AB line is extended. Then we have drawn a line through point C perpendicular spindle. This line will cut extended AB at point I. This is instantaneous center. And other things important here. Alpha is the angle of inclination of upper arm to the spindle. Beta is the angle of inclination lower arm to the vertical spindle or vertical. It is same. Now we have to take moments about point I. If you take moments about point I, you will see FC into HC equal to mg into I plus mg divided by 2 into IC. Now here we have to consider the forces. Before going to the further description of the derivation, first of all we need to know what are the forces. Fc is the centrifugal force. As the flywheels will rotate about spindle, the flywheel will experience centrifugal force Fc. Then these fly balls have some weight, that is mg, small mg, that is working through point A in the line A, and another capital mg, capital M into z divided by 2. This is the total weight of the slip is mg, and we are considering half section of the weight, so mg by 2. So here are the forces: Fc, small mg, capital mg divided by 2. So after taking, we have got this expression: Fc into Hc equal to small mg into IE plus mg by 2 into IC. You should know how to find the moment, so then it becomes easy. So rearranging, we have got mg into I divided by H. That means we are taking Hc to the right hand side. So mg into I divided by Hc plus capital Mg divided by 2 into Ic by He. Now we can write Ic as Ie plus Ec. So the expression becomes small mg into I by He plus capital Mg divided by 2 I divided by Ac plus Ec divided by Hc, bracket close. So this is your expression. Now I by He is your tan alpha. You can write it as tan alpha. Ec by Ac you can write it as tan beta, right? And I by AE is again tan alpha. So the expression becomes mg into AE by He into I by AE plus capital Mg by 2 AE by He into bracket starts I by AE plus Ec by AE, bracket close. So you have to know, you have to rearrange the expression like this way, so that we can enter the various known parameters like here, right? So mg into AE by Hc is tan alpha plus mg by 2 AE by Hc equal into tan alpha plus tan beta. So further simplifying it, we will finally find this expression: n square equal to AE by He into bracket starts m small m plus capital M by 2 1 plus q bracket close divided by m, then then into 895h. This is your expression, and the expression is given here. You have to follow the step by step, and the important things I have already passed here, various things, important things, but you have to follow the steps. When to follow steps are not that difficult.